Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, come over to this website, paste it over here and click on generate. Step number 3, you can get paid money online for this incredibly viral niche right now. You don't need a camera for this. We're not going to be creating any of our own content. In fact, we don't even need any social media following whatsoever on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I'm going to teach you how to do this without creating any single content of your own. All you need is the ability to copy this link over here, whether it's on your mobile phone or your PC, and then come over to this website where we're going to paste this exact same link and click on generate. Both these platforms are completely free and anybody can do this and make multiple streams of income online. In fact, every second of this video is bringing you closer to $10,000 a month utilizing TikTok without even creating your own content. I suggest pay close attention to this video and watch every single step that I'm going to be showing you, because I'm going to lay out this entire tutorial in the most simplest step-by-step tutorial for you guys so that you can easily understand this by the end of this video and get rolling and do this yourself. You'll see this person over here called Wealthlock is approximately making anywhere between $500 and $3,000 a day through their TikTok content that they're not even recording their own. As you can see over here, most of these videos are simple views, natural videos from stock video websites that they haven't even recorded themselves, and all they're doing is putting their simple text over these videos, making their own simple little motivational videos, posting that on TikTok and getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, which they are using to generate TikTok ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and to grow their YouTube channels, which also holds a lot more YouTube ad revenue. So on top of TikTok being the backbone of the entire business, it opens up various different streams of income, which is exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. And this is really easy also because it doesn't take a lot of time to put a TikTok like this together. It maybe takes 5-10 minutes. That's all it requires out of your day, and then you can continue with whatever you're doing, whether you work a 9 to 5, still a student. So this is a great side hustle and become a main income stream as well that hardly takes up any time of your day. Here's another good example of another page just taking stock videos and Creative Commons videos on YouTube and adding their own motivational quotes over different speeches that they found off YouTube. You'll see over here, if I click on the link in the bio, it will take me up to, let's just click on open this link anyway. It will take me to some kind of affiliate link over here. So here you can see they've got their Instagram. They're obviously promoting different music albums. So they're obviously some kind of artist. They're using music to make money off of their TikTok. I see also over here they've got different affiliate links to games such as Wallpaper Engine, Bus Roadrunner, one of the games on the Play Store, and a contact button over here. So they're making various streams of income through music and affiliate links in the link of their bio on their TikTok page that again is getting hundreds of thousands, even 1 or 2 videos over 1 million views. And I can actually show you 1 or 2 smaller pages also doing this, such as this page over here called the Inspirational Daily with only 33,000 followers, and they are pretty much getting way more views than the amount of followers they have. Their third latest video had over 400,000 views, 70,000 views. Yes, only 1 or 2 get 5,000 or 6,000, but not every single video is going to take off. But as you can see, if you remain consistent at this, you will get to a point where the algorithm is going to push you and every single video is going to be getting more views than actual followers you have. And the best part about this, you don't only have to do this on TikTok. You can replicate this on Instagram, Facebook Reels, which I really recommend, YouTube Shorts to get monetized on YouTube, and all you do is copy and paste and post the same video that you made on all these platforms, and now you open up to 4 different platforms helping you go viral. So this is another great example of a smaller page doing this, and more or less what you can expect in the beginning. If I click on one of these videos, take a look at this. Let's just have a look at their latest video. As you can see, this is a simple stock video of a snowy mountain, and all the quote they've got is here is, there are people in this world who faces light up when they see you, and that's not because of what you can do or what you can provide or how they can benefit from you. It's just because of who you are. And this simple little quote with a motivational background music attached to it, I just muted it because you won't be able to hear me, has gotten over 112,000 views, and they posted this 1 day ago. So to get 100,000 views in 1 day, I mean, if you picture 100,000 people in front of you. I'll kind of put an illustration on the screen. This is what you can imagine how many people you are actually reaching out to with this video. So how exactly do you get started with this? Very simple. Come over to Pinterest.com, or just go and search Pinterest on Google and go and click on the first link. And you want to go and search up on Pinterest some of the best motivational quotes. If you come over to the home feed on the top left and you click on the search bar and you go and search motivational quotes or inspirational quotes or best quotes yet, and over here, for example, this is a great one that you can go and use for a TikTok video. Over here it says, if you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. That, I think, is an epic quote that we can build into some kind of video like this. So let's save this in this tab. This is the most important part of this video, so I really recommend you pay attention with me now, because I'm going to go over how you're going to build your TikTok. Step number 2 is to come over to pexels.com. You can also use pixabay.com. You can go and search up any free stock video website on Google. And let's go and search over here. For example, let's just come over to videos, click on enter, and over here you can see all sorts of different videos. Let's go and search drone footage or any kind of drone videos, and take a look at this one over here. If I click on this video and I click on play, as you can see, you've got perfectly stock video of a drone flying through the mountains. We can go and free download this video to our PC. Make sure to click on the highest quality possible. Click on download, and this is now downloaded to your PC. And you're allowed to completely use this video as your own, use it in your own videos, repost it on YouTube, TikTok without any copyright issues, because stock video websites are there to post content that don't have any copyright issues attached to them. So once this video is downloaded, all we need is now a quote to go and edit onto our video. You can come over to a free editing software called Veed.io. It's Veed.io. It's a free online video editing software. You can go and click on new video, click on create project. This is what your dashboard will look like once you've signed in with your account. I'm not an affiliate for this website. I just often use it for my TikToks and Instagram videos. So you can just head over straight to the website. Over here, click on upload a file and go and upload that same stock video we just uploaded. What's pretty cool about Veed.io, they actually provide you with your own stock videos if you want to use that as well. Just click on media and click on stock videos, and you can load up a whole bunch of different stock videos that you can use. Like, take a look at this one, which is pretty cool, of a aerial view of a beach. Under settings, make sure you click on size and look for the TikTok size, which is the portrait landscape that looks like this. And simply, you want to go and click on subtitles, or if you want to go and add text, I prefer manual subtitles. We want to go and type here, don't attach subtitles to video, make sure it's selected in English, click on add subtitles, and you want to go and put this in the middle and go and type your following quote. In our case, if you don't sacrifice for what you want, so that will be, if you don't sacrifice for what you want, you can put ... What you want becomes the sacrifice. So click on add new subline and you type here, what you want becomes the new sacrifice. And click on full stop. And you can edit your type of style. For example, if you wanted white text with a background that looks like this, or a box, or a more transparent background like this, which is what I like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make my text a little bit bigger, put it more towards the center. We can make the first caption last for 5 seconds, and the second caption we can make last for, let's say, 4 seconds. So we can put from 0 to 5 and 5 till 9 seconds. So your video will look something like this. Just make sure to cut your entire video all the way down to the length of your captions. So your video is now going to look something like this. And just like that, your TikTok is now done. As you can see, it's not even 8-9 seconds, and that's exactly what these pages are doing. And a lot of people like this kind of content, and all we need now is some kind of motivational background song attached to this, as we can't just have it plain text. It's kind of boring. So all we can go do is we can click on audio over here, and you'll see you've got various different stock audio. The best way to go and get audio files is to come over to these other pages on TikTok, go and click on their most viral videos. For example, this one with 960,000 views, and just have a listen to the song that they're using. Or you can come over to Google and go and search up sad TikTok songs, or emotional TikTok songs might sound a bit better, but go and click on any one of these YouTube videos over here. And as you can see in this playlist over here, you will find a whole bunch of different emotional or sad viral TikTok songs. And what you can go and do is you can come over to copy the name of the song, just go and search it on YouTube like this, copy the link of the song on YouTube, come over to Google and go and search YouTube to MP3. I just used white2mate.is. Go and paste your link over here, and you can now go and download this YouTube video into an MP3 song. So let's go and click on the first one over here, click on convert, click on download, and this will now download to your PC in MP3 format. Once this has been downloaded to your PC, come over to v.io, come over to the audio tab, click on upload file, and upload that same song that we have just downloaded off YouTube. And take a look at this. If I now go and play this video, and as you can see, this is the idea or type of kind of TikToks you want to create, is a motivational quote with emotional or motivational or sad music with some kind of drone footage of backgrounds of a beach or a mountain, and all of that puts together a fantastic motivational themed TikTok page, which is exactly, if you just go and search on TikTok motivational pages, you will find all sorts of accounts over here to also go and get ideas. You can even go and use some quotes from their pages. And over here, you can see these videos are absolutely taking off. So the actual way you're going to be making money from this is coming over to clickbank.com, which is an affiliate marketing network website where you can go and find hundreds to thousands of different affiliate products that you can go and promote. So you can go and log in or create a free account. I'm going to sign in with my existing account and meet you on my dashboard. Once you've signed into your ClickBank account, you will see a whole bunch of different categories on the left-hand side over here. So first click on Marketplace, and over here you will see all sorts of different niches of different products that you can go and promote. But since we into motivational niche, we want to promote a product relative to that niche, because it's not going to make sense promoting a cooking and food product in a motivational niche. Or it could, unless you're into fitness and that kind of thing, but you want to keep it relative. So we can go and click on spirituality, new age, and beliefs over here. And one of my favorite types of affiliate marketing products to promote in affiliate marketing, to promote in the motivational niche, is manifestation products. As you can see over here, is one of my favorite products to promote in the specific niche or field is the wealth manifestation offer taking by Market by Storm. You will go and get $48 per sale that you make and $6 every single month in passive commissions from the subscription program. And as you can see over here, the entire landing page with a free video and webinar is already completed for you. And if you go and click on promote over here, click on create top link, you will see you've got your unique affiliate link over here, which you can go and use on a tool called Linktree. Click on the first link over here, which is a free landing page slash bio, which is a free landing page for your bio. You can go and log in or sign up your completely free Linktree account. Over here, you can click on add new link. You can add all of your socials, such as your Instagram or your Facebook or your YouTube. But in this case, since we're making money off affiliate marketing, we want to go and copy the title of this landing page. Come over to Linktree and just paste this in your title. And for your URL, you can come back to ClickBank again, just go and copy your affiliate link like that. Go and paste this under your URL, and over here you can now go and click on your Linktree link, and as you can see, you've got your landing page with your link to your affiliate link straight to this affiliate product. And the link to your Linktree account is what you need to go and paste in the bio of your TikTok account. Let's go and calculate more or less what you could be earning from this if you still quite a small page. So let's go and take this page over here with 30,000 followers. And let's say on average, they're getting anywhere between 8 and 15,000 views a day. 1 or 2 videos blowing up to 400,000 views. Let's say at least, even if just one person converts a day out of between 8 and 15,000 people, that is now going to be $48 a day. Let's say 5 people convert, so 5 times 40 times 48, the exact price or payment you will receive is $23. You will now be earning $241 every single day per 5 conversions per day, plus the rebilling commission of $6 a month. So I hope you can understand, by understanding the concept of volume posting consistently is how you're going to really build up a solid income with this. So in the beginning, let's say you post 30 videos in your first month. That's one video per day, and each video is now getting 1,000 views per video. That is now 30,000 views per month. Now let's say after 5 months, you've now got 200 videos getting 10,000 views each per month. So that's 200 times 10,000 views. That's now 2 million views every single month. So as you can see, virality and volume over time is really the key to success to this. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with specifically making money on TikTok, short video platforms such as Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, the Metaverse, because these are all easy platforms to really build a massive audience and make a lot of money from. I'm going to leave an entire course and program on my YouTube channel completely for free for you guys. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All of this information in this playlist on the screen somewhere over here is videos that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel completely for free and compiled into one simple course for you guys. So what I recommend is if you really want to scale at this and take action with this, click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.